greatly the happiest man.
That was so fun!
Funny, you did a funny pose when you froze.
I did. You know, when we dance and freeze, it's just like when we get.
Hello mga kasakal, it's a mini travel episode of The Married Life. And right now, we're already getting ready. This time out, it's a trip with friends in Binangonan, Rizal. Club Club Eliana in Binangonan, Rizal. So, it'll be, this is a once a year event among friends. It's a 3-day and 2-night event. So we'll try to cover as much as possible. Hopefully give you an experience or a view of the place. Hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And then we'll again, like as always, provide a quick feedback on the place. Make you guys decide if it's something or it's a place that also you want to go to. Okay? So moisturizer and sunscreen, syempre masunog ang ating mukha. Napakainit. Okay, nilapit na yata sa atin ang araw. Lumapit yung araw rather. Sobrang init sa labas. So meeting place is Perpetual Village, Taguig. We'll see you on the road. Bye-bye. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello mga kasakal. So, quick stop. We are now at Taytay. So, bilihan ng mga itik, mga kung ano pa. So, stop over kami, bili kami ng itlog na maalat. Medyo mura-mura kasi dito. So, we're still on our way to Binangonan, Rizal. So, from Taguig, Lower Bigotan kami. Ano ba tawag ito? C6 extension mo yun? Ayun, C6 extension. C6 o C5 extension? C6 extension. Ayun. So, ngayon sa Taytay kami. Pit stop lang. Bili ng itlog na maalat.
Destination is on the right.
Hindi na mag-swimming. Picture mo muna kami dyan sa may
Pre, ang malikan ng takal yun. 4 lang. Ano yan eh? Malaki yung takalan mo eh.
Pop. Just sit down.
Don't jump pre yan ha. Wait ha.
Swimming!
Lahat na gusto niyo agad mag-swim kayo pagdating.
Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't even.
Thank you.
Okay, ihaw time. Si Chef Ralph at si Homeboy Kambum. Ang sikreto natin sa mainam na pag-iihaw, Homeboy.
Malinis na baga dapat.
Yun, maligas na baga. Na-taste test naman, na-taste test na.
Oo, tikman nyo na.
Hindi aabuti ng ano, Biyernes Santo.
Chef Ralph, anong tira natin dyan sa ribs na yan?
Barbecue ribs to.
Barbecue ribs, sir.
Linisin muna.
Ito, assistant lang to eh, pero tingnan natin anong balita dito sa parte ng ano.
Ando na to.
Bert, kung saan yung inihaw natin dyan?
Okay to, medyo sunog ng konti pero okay na to.
In the world. Alongside your Loewe.
Pero hindi pa, ano. Ano barado pa ba lang?
Ikaw joke ito sa akin.
Ito ayaw eh.
Ano pa tanong yan?
Ayan, dito muna tayo. Vlog muna tayo ng konti. Habang tulog pa ang mag-aba ko. Wala tayong makeup, no? Siyempre, bagong gising. Tsaka, ever since naman, hindi naman talaga ako mahilig mag-makeup. Tamad ako. Minsan lang ako nag-makeup. Tsaka pag lumalabas, konting kilay, tsaka lip tint lang, pulbo, ayos na. Generally kasi syempre pag mami ka na, most of the time wala kang masyadong oras kasi nagmamadali na palagi kasi ikaw yung late lagi sa lahat, late na naliligo, late na nagbibihis, nag-aasikaso kasi ang dami mong ginawa pag-aasikaso sa family. So ito ako ngayon sa parang mini bar nila, ayan, tapos yung ibang boys andun sa kitchen na prepare na sila ng breakfast. And later pag-gising ni Jana, for sure mag-swimming na agad yun. Gusto niya nun mag-swimming. So kalma muna tayo ngayon for today's video. Early bird, good morning.
Morning.
Yan.
Naman tawag sa may...
Salita tayo ng music.
What's for breakfast?
Yes, we're cooking.
Ready!
Tortang talong ba yan? Yung tortang talong.
Napahay.
Nagulat ka. I-take over ko muna yung vlog niya kasi hindi na siya nakapag-vlog eh. Si
Yo,
Joel.
ready.
Take over ko muna yung vlog niya kasi hindi na siya nakakapag-vlog masyado. Gusto niya enjoy yung moment eh. So ako na muna mag-kuha. Ito ng ating chef. Chef Ralph.
With assistance.
Sous chef. Dalawa yung sous chef niya. Anong menu for today's breakfast? Tortang talong and?
Talong, tocino, fried rice, and hotdog.
Oh,
Normal.
wow. Tulog pa ang aking kumare and si Riri. Ito sila nakastig. So, here's ulit. Breakfast time! Mars! Makain po iti Mars.
Ito mo naman mukha ako dyan. Ano ba yan?
I-edit na lang natin lang.
Yun naman pala, kaya naman palang i-edit.
Lagi talaga magkulay yung mukha ko sa
Nag-breakfast na siya kanina. Chill muna siya dyan. Hi! Good morning, Riri! Hi! Eat muna tayo.
Mag-ingat ka dyan, may nag-awal dyan kanina. Lumpo, ha?
Yung mga panahon na ano pre, yung nag-picture tayo sa intersection ng sukat.
Tayo sila doon eh.
Ayun, ay. Ay, apat dito. Kaya ako. Diba? Dinaraw yung barrier. Oo. Saan ang picture natin to? Nasa cellphone mga tayo eh. Wala, tagal na kasi Friendster pa yun. Friendster pa yun. Ang lumit namin na po. Hindi kami tayo nang ginigil. Bumiga kami doon. Sukat yun kasi.
Usapang
Ginagawa
days.
pa lang yun eh.
Good evening. They're all asleep. Ako na lang yung gising. So, might as well mag-vlog na lang. Papaantok lang. That smell. I don't know with you guys, pero sa akin ay there's a certain smell that identifies na nasa probinsya na ako. Yung amoy ng panggatong, yung kahoy na panggatong na ginagamit sa pagluluto sa probinsya. Ayun, pag naamoy ko yun, it gives me the feeling of calmness, peace, and somehow makes me remember to slow down a little bit and enjoy life. Right now we're spending Holy Week in Rizal with family and friends. It's a yearly tradition that has been going on for I think 3 years now. Iba-iba naman kasi tayo or kanya-kanya naman kasi tayo ng way on how we celebrate and spend Holy Week. Some go on different places, go to places to witness and even join religious practices and tradition. Some stay at home and do the usual stuff like pabasa and also fasting, and some go on trips and vacation like us to pause for a little while kasi yung Holy Week syempre is a long weekend. Yun lang yung pinakamahabang o yun lang yung time na makapag-spend kami ng mahaba-habang time together with family and friends. But for me kasi at the end of the day, whatever you do or however you spend Semana Santa, the important thing is you don't forget to remember what it's really about. The sacrifice Jesus made for us and what we can do to somehow give back on our own little ways, diba? And live a good life, help as much as you can, and of course be grateful for everything. So ayun, of course nandun pa rin yung reflection. Hi, good morning. Bagong gising. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Good morning. Mwah.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y malasing mo kami.
Yan na, hindi na magkatampo yan.
Thank you.
Sing happy birthday. Sabi ko sa kapatid niya, Dok, okay ba yun? Gusto tanongin ko sa kanya, Effective sabi niya.
Dito,
Talaga ba?
that's
Check ko.
not
Kasi hindi naman siya FDA approved eh.
Saka hindi naman sila niniwala dun sa lahat. Kasi syempre more of gamot. Yung ate nga nito, kakwentuhan namin.
Oh, hi, Jana. Say
Sa
hi to Jana.
Australia, pag may sakit ka, parang inahayaan nila mag-self-heal ng 3 to 5 days yung ubo. Kasi kailangan mailabas talaga yung problema. Ganun. Or talaga mag-heal ka kasi daw hindi gagana yung antibodies mo pag may gamot. So ngayon, parang hiniriyaan ka nila mag-heal. Kapag lumagpas siya ng 1 week yung gamot, saka ka lang bibigyan ng gamot.
Rian, come here.
Let's go. Hello, good afternoon.
Hi!
Ganda naman ni ate.
Dito po mayroong table po. Pwede naman po din natin pag-pick. Maganda dito. Maganda dito. Maganda na lang po.
Walang hangin ah. Wow!
Pero, hindi ako aabot yun. Nakakalula yun eh. Dapat nga naman kayo eh. Safe ba dito?
Jana is having fun. She likes it here. Ang ganda ng view. I got her. Don't worry. Let's go. Come here. Come here.
Alright, good evening mga kasakal. So closing off this mini vlog for this episode of The Married Life, our trip to Camp Eliana in Binangonan, Rizal. We just got home, very tiring day. You know, it was a 3 days and 2 night trip, plus a side trip in a cafe in Binangonan, Sikada Cafe. With a view of the, I think, Polillo windmill. Very windy, but very nice place. Just watch the video if you want to see more details. So, quick review. Overall, I'd say 8 out of 10 for Camp Eliana. Number 1, the staff. Si Kuya na nag-asikaso sa amin was very accommodating. Even, you know, offering to buy us ice during our 3-day 2 nights stay there. He was also the one maintaining the pool and the place. Very clean. The pool is very clean. No itching effect, you know, at least as of the moment when we got home. Sila ate, also very courteous, accommodating, always asking what we need. The place itself, yung mga kubo, kita nyo naman, it's not very spacious, but comfortable naman siya. Okay, I'd say lalo na pag tanghali, you know, the weather nowadays is very hot. Kaya naman niya yung init, okay? And sa gabi, definitely no problem since it's in Rizal. Malamig naman, and we even had friends sleeping outside using the tent. So, yun. Check out the video, see if it's a place that you'd want to take your family and friends with in the future. And this ends this episode of The Married Life. So as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. And I hope you like this mini vlog of ours. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.